2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
We're here in Los Angeles, California, shooting a little video for Patagonia. We all got one-string guitars, and we were playing a couple songs that I wrote. And for us, it's a cool way to kind of reinvent these songs. And again, it's supporting, you know, a really good cause.
You can live the high life. 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 You can see me worldwide. Throw your hands up in the sky.
Hey everybody, Kelly James here. I took the Common Threads pledge on Patagonia.com. Reduce, repair, reuse, recycle, reimagine. Common Threads.
Live simply so you can live the high life. Live simply so you can live. Live simply so you can live the high life. So you can live the high life. You can live the high life. You can live the high life. Live the high life. You can live the high life. Live a city worldwide. Throw your hands up in the sky.